Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade perpetuals on Axiom Pro. To get started, open Axiom and head to the Discover page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the platform's main navigation and market sections. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen for the Perpetuals tab and click it. This will take you into the Perpetuals trading interface where you can choose a market and prepare your trade. After the Perpetuals page loads, move to the top left area of the screen and click the BTC dropdown. This menu lets you switch from the default market to another trading symbol. If you already know which market you want to trade, you can search for it directly. If not, you can browse the available options and select the symbol you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the correct asset, since all the pricing and order details on the page will update based on that selection. Once your market is selected, direct your attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is the main order entry area, and it's where you'll set up your trade. Before entering any values, decide whether your market view is bullish or bearish. If you expect the asset's price to go up, click long. A long position is used when you want to profit from upward price movement. On the other hand, if you believe the price may fall, click short. A short position is used when you want to trade based on downward price movement. Choosing the correct direction is an important part of setting up your position, so make sure it matches your trading plan. After selecting long or short, enter the required trade data or value into the order panel. This is where you define the size or amount for the trade, based on what the platform requests in the form. As you enter your trade details, it's a good idea to review them carefully so you understand exactly what you're submitting. Even a small change in trade size can affect your exposure, so accuracy matters. At this stage, you've completed the setup process for trading perpetuals on Axiom Pro. Just make sure the selected symbol, trade direction, and entered values all look correct before moving forward on the platform. Following these steps carefully will help you place your trade more confidently and with fewer mistakes.